Hello everyone, here are the top 5 AI tools for students that can help your study smarter and save time. At number 5, we have Notion AI. Notion AI is perfect for students who wants to stay organized and manage their time better. It combines note-taking, planning and AI feature in one place. You can use it to create study notes, daily and weekly study plans, assignment trackers. For example, if your notes are messy, Notion AI can turn them into a clean and structured points. It's especially helpful for the students who struggle with managing multiple subjects and deadlines. The AI inside Notion can also help you summarize notes, rewrite content, and generate ideas. At number 4, Notebook LM. Notebook LM is a powerful tool that helps you study using your own materials. You can upload PDFs, notes, or documents, and it will be explain everything based on that content. Notebook LM makes it very useful for exam preparations, revising chapters, understanding textbooks. You can ask questions from your notes and it gives answers directly from your materials. It also summarizes long chapters into short points, saving your time. For example, before exams, you can quickly review all your notes in a simplified way. At number 3, we have Perplexity AI. Perplexity works like a smart search engine. Instead of showing many websites, it gives you a direct answer with sources. This is very helpful for students because you can trust the information and check where it is come from. You can use for a quick research, homework, helps learning new topics, finding reliable information. Another great feature is that you can ask follow-up questions and continue learning step by step. It saves time and gives accurate sources-based answers. At number 2 is Google Gemini. Gemini is a powerful AI tool by Google and it's perfect for research and daily study tasks. It helps you understand topics quickly, summarize articles, generate ideas for projects, prepare presentations. One big advantage, it is connected with the Google's tools like Documents and Drives, making it very useful for students. For example, if you are working on a social project, Gemini can help you find information and organize it easily. It is fast, reliable and deeply connected with Google research. At number 1 is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the most popular AI tool and works like a personal tutor for students. We can ask it anything and it is explained in simple and clear way. It is useful for almost every subject. It helps with the homework and problem solving, writing essay and improving grammar, creating notes and summarize learning new concepts step by step. One of the best things is that you can ask follow-up questions just like talking to a teacher. For example, if you don't understand the topic, you can keep asking until it becomes clear. It can do almost everything, learning, writing and proper solving in one place. So these were the top 5 AI tools for students. Use them wisely to save time, improve learning and stay ahead in your studies. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to upgrade feeds. See you in next video.